Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize contractor versus employee classification with Upwork, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Upwork homepage. Log in to your Upwork account. Once logged in, click on Settings in the drop-down menu under your profile picture. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Membership and Billing. Next, find the Payment Methods section. Here, you will see options to add or modify your payment methods. Select Add a payment method if you have not set one up yet. Choose the method you prefer, such as credit card or PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now, return to the main dashboard. Click on Find Work to explore available jobs. Select a project that fits your requirements. When you find a suitable project, click on it for more details. Review the project description and requirements carefully. If you're interested, click on Submit a Proposal. In your proposal, clearly state whether you are looking to be classified as a contractor or an employee. This classification is crucial for understanding the working relationship expectations. Highlight your qualifications and any relevant experience you have. After completing your proposal, click on Send Proposal. Wait for the client's response regarding your classification preference. If the client expresses interest, be prompt in your communication. Discuss the nuances of the classification with the client to alleviate any potential misunderstandings. Once both parties agree, ensure to finalize the terms of engagement. Confirm the classification in the contract details. Review any documents or contracts provided for clarity. After finalizing, begin your work as per the agreed terms. Maintain open communication throughout the project to ensure alignment. At project completion, ensure to submit deliverables as promised. Request client feedback and finalize payment through Upwork. This process will help clarify your role and ensure a smooth working relationship with the client. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.